Hey guys, I've got these LED gloves on at the moment. I'm just giving you a bit of a live demo of just how good these LED lights are. I'm in a fairly dark sort of what would you call this, a pantry, I guess, and there's not a lot of lights during the day, so there's a bit of natural light just flowing through around behind me, as you can see. But generally it's fairly dark in here, so I've got my LED glove on and I've got the light lit up, so I'll just show you the difference. So I'll just reverse the camera now, so just check out how bright these things are. Okay, so I've reversed the camera now, so it doesn't look overly dark in those areas there, but then once I put the glove in here, have a look at the difference in the quality. Have a look at the difference in the amount of light that's in there. No kidding, these things are they're like spotlights. They just light everything up so well. It is unbelievable. Here's another shelf. It's a little bit dark in the back there, but put one of these LED gloves in there. Now you can imagine working under a bench top, or working on your plumbing, or working on your car, or working on your engine, under your bonnet, and how dark that can be when you're trying to work in those dark places. Now this can be on your left hand like this one is, and then your right hand's free to use the spanners or socket set or whatever you're doing. But it just lights it up like daylight. Have a look at that. So they're perfect for camping, fishing, just any low light situation. No kidding, these things are unbelievable. Anyway, bit of a demonstration for you. Have a great day and thanks for watching, guys. And if you like this video, please hit the like on. I'll really appreciate it. All the best, guys. Bye for now.